This review is of Mosul Kubba brand vegetarian falafel, seasoned falafel bites. They are vegan, halal, a good source of protein, high in fiber, no artificial preservatives, gluten-free, no MSG, made with minimally processed ingredients. They're ready to cook. Make sure to cook these thoroughly. Falafel that's not been pre-cooked for you, if you don't cook it fully, it's going to be grainy, and I don't really care for it that way. It's also more flavorful if you fully cook it. Now, these are made in Michigan, which is unsurprising since there's a very large population of Muslims in Dearborn especially, but also in other parts of Michigan. So here are the handling and cooking instructions, and they do have other products. And here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. All right. Now, it looks like there's a huge amount in here, but in reality, there are only 2 packs like this, and they are frozen together. And most irritatingly, the instructions don't tell you what to do about that problem of the falafel being frozen together. So, unless you thaw it first, obviously. But if you just take it out of the freezer, then you have a problem, because and this doesn't make any sense whatsoever, but it says for the oven cooking, not microwave. For oven cooking, it says arrange 3 pieces of falafel on a baking tray and put on center rack. Bake for 18 to 21 minutes. Who's going to put just 3 of these little pieces into their oven when they can take 1 pack or 2 packs and put it? Whoever made the instructions was not using their brains, because you're not going to take 3 pieces out of the pack and put it back. You're going to take the whole pack or the whole box and put them on a tray and pop them in the oven. Well, I cooked these for about 20 minutes. It took about 10 minutes to get them separated. They're very, very dry. And frankly, they're boring. They definitely did not spice them enough. And I don't mean salt. I mean the spices, the garlic and parsley and the other spices. This is some of the least satisfying falafel I've had in a long time. I would never buy this brand again. If you want falafel that doesn't really have a ton of flavor, this is going to be a good choice for you, but for me, this is a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I almost forgot. 4 pieces has 310 calories, 19 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no cholesterol, but 630 milligrams of sodium. That's massive. 27 grams of carbs, of which 9 are dietary fiber, so that's pretty good. No sugar, 7 grams of protein. If it weren't for the excessive amount of sodium versus the very pathetic flavor, this would actually be okay, but it's just super dry and not flavorful, and extra high amounts of salt. Also sodium from baking soda. So that.